The rise of online tutoring, India vs. the world. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of online tutoring, comparing the rapid development in India with global trends. Think of it like this. Education is changing, and online tutoring is at the forefront. We're going to explore how this wave of change is playing out differently across the globe. From the bustling tech hubs of Bangalore to the established education systems of Europe and North America, we'll uncover the unique factors shaping this landscape. Let's get started. Market forces, a tale of two tutoring worlds. Imagine a student in India, smartphone in hand, accessing a live tutoring session for a fraction of the cost of traditional methods. That's the reality for millions of students in India, where the online tutoring market has exploded in recent years. What's driving this surge? A young, tech-savvy population, increasing internet penetration, and a fiercely competitive education system all play a part. Now, shift your focus across continents to North America and Europe. Here, the online tutoring landscape paints a different picture. While still experiencing significant growth, the focus expands beyond exam preparation. We see a greater emphasis on professional skills development, lifelong learning platforms, and a broader range of subjects catering to diverse needs. This contrast highlights how market dynamics shape the tutoring industry. In India, the demand for affordable, exam-focused tutoring fuels rapid growth. Meanwhile, in more mature markets, we see diversification and a focus on meeting the evolving needs of learners throughout their lives. Tech in the tutoring. India's innovation versus global advancements. Let's talk technology. In India, mobile-first learning reigns supreme. Students are attending live classes, reviewing recorded sessions, and even engaging in gamified learning experiences, all from their smartphones. This accessibility is a game changer, breaking down traditional barriers to education. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Globally, we see platforms leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to personalize learning pathways, analyze student data to track performance, and even incorporate virtual and augmented reality for immersive learning experiences. Think of AI as a digital tutor, constantly adapting to a student's strengths and weaknesses. Imagine exploring historical events through VR or dissecting a human heart in AR. The possibilities are endless. Beyond the books curriculum. Focus in India and beyond. In the world of Indian online tutoring, exam preparation is king. With high-stakes exams like the IIT JEE and NEET determining academic and professional futures, it's no surprise that the curriculum focuses heavily on core subjects and test-taking strategies. Contrast that with the global landscape, where you'll find a more diverse menu of subjects. Think beyond math and science. We're talking skills development, creative arts, coding boot camps, soft skills training, and the list goes on. This difference reflects the evolving definition of education itself. In India, the focus remains on academic excellence as a pathway to success. Globally, we see a broader recognition of the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the 21st century. Rules of the game. Navigating the regulatory maze. Now, let's talk regulations. India's online tutoring sector, while booming, is still finding its regulatory footing. The government is making strides in implementing quality control measures, but inconsistencies persist. In contrast, many countries worldwide have well-established regulatory frameworks for online education. Accreditation processes ensure quality standards, providing learners with a degree of confidence and trust. This difference highlights the growing pains of a rapidly evolving industry. As online tutoring becomes increasingly mainstream, establishing clear regulatory guidelines will be crucial for ensuring quality and accountability, both in India and globally. The tutoring marketplace. From one-on-one to large-scale learning. India's online tutoring landscape is a testament to its entrepreneurial spirit. You'll find everything from individual tutors offering personalized sessions to large edtech companies hosting live classes with thousands of students. Affordability is a key driver, with competitive pricing making quality education accessible to a wider population. Globally, the tutoring market presents a mix of models. Subscription-based platforms offer access to a library of resources, while pay-per-session services cater to specific needs. Freemium models are also gaining traction, providing basic content for free with premium features available for a fee. This variety reflects the diverse needs and budgets of learners worldwide. While affordability is a major factor in India, the global market demonstrates a willingness to pay a premium for personalized attention and specialized expertise. The culture of competition. India's drive versus global perspectives. In India, education is often seen through the lens of competition. With a vast population and limited seats in prestigious institutions, exams become high-stakes battles for a brighter future. This cultural context is deeply intertwined with the rise of online tutoring, which is often viewed as a necessary tool to get ahead. Globally, the educational landscape reflects a wider range of priorities. While academic achievement remains important, there's a growing emphasis on holistic development, fostering creativity, and equipping students with practical skills for the workforce. This contrast underscores the influence of cultural values on educational approaches. India's focus on competition reflects its unique socio-economic landscape, while global trends emphasize a broader definition of success beyond exam scores. The face of the tutor. From recent grads to seasoned experts. Who are the faces behind India's online tutoring boom? You'll find a large number of recent graduates and young educators, many of whom have themselves excelled in the very exams they're now helping students prepare for. This emphasis on peer-to-peer learning creates a sense of camaraderie and shared experience. In contrast, the global pool of online tutors draws from a wider range of backgrounds. Seasoned educators, industry professionals, subject matter experts, they all contribute to a diverse and experienced talent pool. This difference highlights the evolving perception of the teaching profession itself. In India, online tutoring provides young graduates with valuable experience and income opportunities. Globally, it's attracting professionals from various fields, enriching the learning experience with real-world insights. Expanding horizons. The future of online tutoring. As we've seen, the world of online tutoring is a tapestry woven from threads of technology, culture, and evolving educational needs. From India's mobile-first revolution to the global embrace of personalized learning, innovation knows no borders. Whether it's a student in Mumbai preparing for a crucial exam or a professional in London upskilling for a career change, online tutoring is breaking down barriers and democratizing access to knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.